Yo, what up, people? What's good? Your boy Habib out here again, back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the tech everyday carry. Now, a little bit has changed since I did my last EDC video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So, let's get it. All right, so my first item on the list, you already know, it's going to be a bag, which I used to carry everything. So, it's this minimalistic bag that I got from Shein. I take this bag because, it's summertime right now. You don't want to be taking too much. You just want to take your essential things you're gonna need like that. Very minimalistic. Got this little compartment right here, which I put a bunch of other stuff that are not tech related. I'm gonna talk about those later. So there's another one in the back right here. I'm just gonna pull out what's in there, just like this USB-C cord or USB-C cable, whatever you want to call it, and this camera cable as well that I use to connect cameras to my iPhone. So yeah, nothing too crazy. And as you guys could see, some receipts. Every time I buy something, I just throw it in here. All right, so my first item on the list is my iPad 9th generation. You guys have probably seen this in my previous EDC video. Been using this for about 2 years now. So yeah, I just use this for like, just in case you want to make a quick sign like an e-document and stuff like that. I got this pen from Amazon for about 17 bucks. Nothing too crazy. Also organizing my day, like checking my to-do list and stuff, and checking my mails, my email. Sometimes you don't just want to be using your phone every time. You probably want a bigger screen and stuff like that. And comes in clutch. I'm not gonna go into details about other things I use my iPad for, but I'm not gonna lie, it's something I really like to take around with me every day on a daily. You know what I'm saying? Also, like editing videos, for example. I'm actually editing the thumbnail for this current video right now on this with Lightroom on my iPad. So things like that, that's what it comes in clutch for. So my next item on the list is probably the most important thing you need in today's generation or whatever you want to call it, my phone. And I'm currently using the iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah. Uh Everyone knows what a phone is for. Very, very good phone. Honestly, I'm very, very happy I got this phone. The camera is amazing. The battery, currently, I'm still at 100% battery health right now. So, yeah, nothing too crazy. The iPhone 14 Pro. And currently, I'm using this anonymous case that I got from the company name is not anonymous, but yeah, I call it anonymous because I don't know the brand. I forgot the brand. But I got this from TJ Maxx and I was like, ooh, that's pretty cool. So, just slap that on there and boom, iPhone 14 Pro ready to go. Great phone, good camera, dynamic icons, or dynamic island. I said dynamic icon, dynamic island, all that good stuff. So let's get to the next item. So my next item on the list is another important item that you need on a daily, especially if, I don't know, just you just need it, bro. And it's my wallet. So I've been using this wallet since 2020. Great wallet. I don't regret having this. I want to upgrade to like one of those like nice little thingy. I don't know what they call it, or something that I could just connect to my phone. But I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Since I've been using this, I don't think I've had problems with it. I love it so much. It's just very, very simple and minimalistic. I love the way it looks. I think they call this carbon fiber, right? I've been seeing people mention that. But yeah, I love the aesthetic look of it. So most definitely the aesthetic look of it. All I just put in here is just like my card, my ID. Yeah, I got this little cash right here. You know, so many money. I don't know, it's just $1 bills. But yeah, you guys know what a wallet is for, and it's something that's very, very important for a daily. You actually need your wallet on a daily if you're gonna go out. The next item on the list is my Apple Watch SE. I already did a review of this watch, so go check it out in my previous videos. Now this watch right here, not gonna lie, is being one of the best thing I've ever spent my money on right here. Now look at this, matches every outfit I wear. I love the way it's just black, simple. As you can see, I'm rocking black right now, and everything is just drippy, boy. I calm down, bro. But yeah, Apple Watch SE, very, very great product. The battery doesn't give me problems since I've had it since I think February. I use this to track my sleep, working out, all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you go check out my other video on the Apple Watch SE review. So if you want to know more about that. And I think that's that for like my tech stuff. Everything that's left is just like, oh, another thing I take with me, which I really need to take with me, is my car keys and my house keys. So I got this smart key collection or this smart key thingy. I don't know, from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. As you guys could see, I just wrapped in my house key, my basement key, and my mailbox key. So yeah, I just put all this in. It makes it so easy for me to like put my keys in my pocket and not feel like I'm carrying too much stuff. And this is my current car key for my Beeb Mobile. If you guys don't know, I call my car the Beeb Mobile. Currently driving a Scion TC right now. So yeah, something I take with me on a daily. Never miss that. You know what I mean? Even if I'm not driving out, I still need this because I need to lock my door and open my door. Another essential thing that I take with me is my AirPod Pro. I think this is the first generation AirPod Pro. I really don't use it too much, but it comes in clutch when I'm making call while driving and when I'm in a study room and I don't want any disturbance and stuff like that. Very, very good product. The only problem with it is that every time it drops, everything just goes all around the place. But I'm not gonna lie, I love the fact that I have this. I actually got this for free from my work. I think I won it. So yeah. Now let's move to the non-tech stuff that I take with me on a daily. Is this sunscreen right here? Oh my god, bro. If you don't use sunscreen, I'm telling you, and you go outside, especially during the summer, you're gonna be like me. Cause I think in 2021, I used to stay outside a lot. I don't know, playing, driving, whatever, and I had a very, very bad skin. I mean, it's still showing right now, but I've been trying my best to take care of it. Before, I didn't even have so much skincare routine, but since staying outside in the sun and stuff, especially if you use products like salicylic acid or retinol, and you don't use sunscreen afterwards, you're gonna have a skin damage. So I like to have this with me everywhere I go. Not if not everywhere, I use it every day. So these are one of the things that I put in this compartment right here. Now, other than that, the other thing I take with me is the chopsticks. Now, I tend to have dry lips every time or most of the time. So I got this Vaseline chopstick from, I don't know if you could call it a chopstick anymore because it's not a stick, but I just like put my pinky finger on there and just rub it on my lips because I get dry lips too many times or often. Another thing that I take with me is the sunglasses. Like I got this pair of sunglasses from Amazon for maybe 15 bucks or whatever. Now I the reason why I'm using this is because like I've noticed like for the past 2 years or something, I tend to get like red eye and I don't know, my eyes just been like crazy, you know what I mean? So, and then I made my research and stuff, exposure to the sun and stuff like that. If you're going outside too much, try to get yourself, doesn't have to be something expensive, just, a simple sunglass like this one that I use. And I don't know, it's also kind of trippy, you feel me? Yeah, I got. And I think that's it for my everyday carry. Now, let me just do a little demo for you guys to see how everything fits. So all I just do is throw everything in the back in this bag. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. And boom. And lastly my iPad. Boom. Very, very easy and simple. It doesn't feel like I'm carrying too much with me on a daily, you know what I'm saying? It's better than taking like a backpack. Very, very simple. It doesn't feel like I'm taking too much on a daily. Just very, very minimalistic and simple. You know what I mean? Another thing is, if you guys know me from my previous video, I already mentioned that before. I love black. Black is one of my drip things. Black is just something that you don't have to think twice when you're wearing it. You just throw it on, you're ready to go. So that's it for the EDC video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up, like this video, share with family and friends, and do other good stuff. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.